It is time now for your other favorite segment, Trader Blitz. A lot of interesting names to hit today. Let us start with AbbVie, all right? Because shares of AbbVie are under pressure. They got sued by the California Department of Justice for allegedly giving kickbacks, Sarat, to healthcare providers.
So I think this is going to be an overhang for the stock, but I think more long-term is Humira. So it's a stock that I would avoid at this point because I think there are too many negative things going on with it.
Okay, stock number 2 is MGM, the casino company on the rise. A report that hedge fund Starboard Value Partners has taken a sizable stake in the company. John, you own MGM.
Yes, I do.
You gotta like this.
I do, but the Post came out with that story that Starboard was in. Basically, it has been denied that they are in here, Brian. So we'll see exactly how that plays out. They are, however, doing a deal with Growth Properties for the Hard Rock Casino in Northfield, Ohio. I don't know that that's what's
That's
lifting
slightly different than Starboard.
Slightly different.
Not sure no offense to Northfield, Ohio.
No offense. Yep.
Whatever that is.
But that's probably not what's driving the stock today.
No.
It's the Post story and then some of these denials.
So let's wait for confirmation. We'll get to contest on that. Yeah, she'll figure. All right. Also today, Tesla shares, they're up a bit following yesterday's weakness.
3%.
Yeah, it's not bad. But listen, Tesla's a volatile stock. That move yesterday on the news, the Justice Department had reportedly opened an investigation into Elon Musk tweets about taking the company private. Pete, you still own Tesla?
I own Tesla calls to the upside. Actually, a lot of that was
not the equity, you own the calls.
Right, not the equity with the calls. The calls are way out of the money, Brian, and actually I'm out in November, December, something like that. So I've got time on my hands. This is not a fundamental story. This is a story based upon, do you believe that these guys are going to be able to execute going forward? I tend to think that they will. They may have to make some changes, but because of that, I still think there's upside in Tesla for
Chinese EV investments too. The Chinese stocks like NIO have been really hot
Saudis
here,
just put $1 billion in Lucid Motors.
I was going to say Saudi just put a lot of money in the
Anastasia, you're watching the European automobile sector.
That's right. It's up about 1.5% on the day, and this is our favorite contrarian idea because European autos actually are going to be one of the leaders in electric vehicles, but also they're trading at half the valuation of the broader European market, and at the same time, they're not facing any of the issues that the U.S. autos are facing, for example, which is rising input costs and the tariff issues. So if there's positive resolution on the European-U.S. auto tariff issue, which we do actually expect, I think these stocks can continue to bounce very nicely.
Just got you a text, by the way, your driver's here. He's in a Skoda. He's out front.